Okay, here's my review of the Betty Crocker pizza maker portable. It's pretty light. It's not that big. Maybe like a few pounds. You could put in a medium pizza, and it does the function of an oven. So it's like a portable oven. And inside is has a surface that doesn't stick to anything, so it's like a nice surface. You can put a pizza in there and then close it, and then when you do this, you hook it up. Hook it up here, and the red light turns on, and that means that it's heating up. When it goes to the temperature that it's supposed to be, which is like around 400, the green light turns on, and you will see it sometimes going down and up, but that means that it's keeping the temperature around 400. You know, it's like trying to keep it at 400. This surface, once it heats up, you cannot touch it with your bare hands because you could get burned. But I use one of these just to get all that. It doesn't take that much space, and I have a cheese pizza here ready that I'm gonna heat up, and then I'm gonna put some Thai basil on top of it. I'm gonna eat it with Thai basil, and be right back. Okay, so I have the pizza in. I already put the Thai basil on top of it. So it's gonna be cheese pizza with Thai basil. Now I gotta close it. Very careful. You don't want to touch this surface right here. You just touch this one. It's already up in temperature. So I'm gonna leave it there for like 20 minutes to see how it comes out. And then the pizza is ready to serve. After like around 20 minutes. Whoa, look at all that smoke. It looks delicious. Oh yeah.